Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this video. It's one of my favorite hauls to make. Today we have a Temu Valentine's Day haul. I'm super excited. I got a couple of items from Temu. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money and I just wanted to show you the super cute things they have at Temu for Valentine's Day, which is coming up shortly within the next 2-3 weeks. So I got a couple of things. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to jump right into it, and I will link everything in the description box along with a code so you can get 30% off new orders at Temu. I'll go ahead and put all of that in my description box. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And I love to post my favorite finds from Temu, TikTok Shop, Amazon, all of that good stuff. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I upload new videos. And I like to upload at least once a week, depending on how my health is. Otherwise, if you don't see me on here, I'll definitely be on TikTok or Instagram, and I'll link those below as well. So let's go ahead and get started. This is probably one of my favorite items in this haul is these slippers. I have been curious about Temu slippers for the longest, but these just called to me. I wanted to get some for Christmas, but I didn't have enough time to order those. So as soon as I saw these, I was like, I have to have them. I think these were like $5 or $6. I have not worn them. My camera might not be doing this justice yet. I haven't put them on. I tried them on. They fit perfectly, but I haven't walked around with them. But look how cute. I believe these were like $5 or $6. The prices always change on Temu, but it's super affordable on there. And look how cute these are. These are 9.5 to 10, I believe. I wear like 9.5 normally, and they fit perfectly. They're super cozy, super soft, perfect if you're having a little at-home Valentine's Day. You know, it's so cute. I love these slippers and the quality. They have like the non-skid, that little grippy stuff at the bottom for like non-skid. Because that's what I was worried about, the slippers being like too slippery, but these are perfect. So make sure to check those out. The next item, I'm so excited. I normally don't decorate for Valentine's Day, but this year, I want to. I'm actually keeping my Christmas tree up, and I'm going to be putting Valentine's Day. I'm going to take off the Christmas ornaments and put on Valentine's Day ornaments. So I'm making it into like a Valentine's tree until the next season. I got this little rug. I believe it's for outdoors, or you could put it indoors. I think this would look cute outdoor, on your front door, or also in front of your kitchen sink on the floor. This would look super cute. How cute is this? Anytime I lift anything up, my phone changes the lighting, but I am working on that. But look how cute. It says Happy Valentine's. How cute is this? And this was like $4, $4 or $4.50, something like that. But it's adorable. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. So I'm excited about that. The next thing I got is this wall. It's like a hanging wall decoration. Let me take it out of the package because this one I have not taken out. It looked a little bigger on the picture, but it's still exactly as cute as the picture. It has these little things here. Let's see. I'm just putting in the little ties because it came without, with them separate. Okay, look how cute this is. It's the cutest little wall decoration. It's like donuts with glaze. How adorable for Valentine's Day. I think I paid $2 for this. $2 or $3. I'm not going to quote on the prices as much because they do change prices every week. But it's usually only by $1 or $2 that you'll see a difference. So this was, I think I paid $2 for this, but look how cute. It's cardboard in the back, but it's adorable for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to put that up. The next decoration I got was this. Oh my god, how cute is this? It's a tin, a tin metal wall decoration, and this one says Cupid's Cafe, Best chocolate and cakes. How adorable. This is so cute for the wall. Like wall decoration. I might put this like close to the kitchen. I think it's super cute. And yeah, it's adorable. This is not a hanging one, but it has these things in the back that I think might be like stick-ons. So you could stick this to the wall. But it's super cute. I love it. I'm obsessed with this. Okay. The next item is for my front door. I like did the most. I didn't even spend that much, honestly. All of this stuff was, I didn't get that much items. It was all under like 30 bucks altogether. I swear I didn't pay more than $30 for all of this. So I like Temu. They have good quality stuff. I'm actually surprised at their quality. Look how cute this is for the front door. And it's just like a little heart. It's super, super cute for festive, for Valentine's. So I'm going to be putting this up. I also saw that they had a lighted one, like with the little lights. But I accidentally grabbed this one and I wanted to grab the one with the lights. But it's still just as cute. This was just also a couple dollars. I think I paid like $3 or $4 for this one. But it's adorable. Okay. Next item is, I have like throw pillows. So I have one big throw pillow that I want to put in the living room, and I got this pillow cover for it. This was like, I want to say it was like $4, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. Look how cute this is. It's adorable. And they also have a lot of like different sets of like sets of 2 or sets of 4, but this was the prettiest one. Like this is the one that stood out to me the most. It's so cute. So I'm going to be putting my throw pillow in there. And yeah, I'm so excited about that. Okay. So the next item, I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I'm like I have so many collabs to film, but you'll see all the other stuff I have to film. But these are kitchen towels. I love getting kitchen towels for the holidays. I always get different types. But look how cute. This one is Love Forever. But look how big they are. And this was a set of 2 of them, and I paid $4 for this set of 2. This is the first one. They don't match, they're different. But look how cute the second one is. How adorable is this? And they're super soft, and I feel like the quality is even better than like Dollar Tree. You know how Dollar Tree always comes out with kitchen towels for like Valentine's or for Christmas, but the quality is much better. So I actually really like these, and they're really big, so I love that. Let's see what else I got. Okay, so I got this big bow as a tree topper. I really love this bow. It came kind of folded up, so I just have to kind of fluff it out. But once I get it like fluffed out, it's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna put it on top of the tree, and it's just kind of really folded up. That's the only thing I'm not too happy about, but I think once I unfold it really well, this is going to go on top of my tree. Look how cute this is. This is so adorable. And it's adorable. I just love these colors for Valentine's. And this was like $2. So I'm loving this. And then last but not least is the only item that, even though I like it, the picture looked like they were a lot bigger. So if I would have known it was as small as it is, I would have ordered 2 or 3 packs. This was a pack of 24 Valentine's Day ornaments. I think I paid like $3 or $4, but it looked in the picture a lot bigger, and I wanted bigger ornaments. So I might just grab either 2 or 3 more packs, or I might just get like big pink ornaments from like Walmart and just add it to this. But look how cute these are. They're super cute. I love them. They're little hearts, and they have a silver one and a glittery pink one. I love this one. Look at that pink. It's so pretty. And then they have it in red. And you don't even need like the hooks for this because it already comes with like the hook. And this little pink one also. It's like rose gold. Okay, so I'm obsessed with this. I just wish these were bigger. But these are really cute. And altogether, I swear, I did not pay more than $30 for this order. So that's it. That's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's short and sweet, but I've been dying to show you guys this stuff because you have to check out Temu. They just have so many good things, and I'm surprised at the quality of these items. And yeah, I'm really pleasantly surprised with Temu this year. So that is it for this video. I'll go ahead and link everything I can find in the comment in the description box below, actually. And I know I have a code. I will also put it somewhere in this video, and I will put it in the description box as well. So let me know in the comments below which items were your favorite, and if you like Temu hauls, what other type of Temu hauls you would like to see. I love Temu. I could shop there every week. So just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to make more videos like this. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.